Welcome back. This is Enlightened Trading, and today I'll show you. Of course, my name is Conrad, and today I'll show you a bit of some of the differences between the Bitcoin Euro and the Bitcoin US dollar, and later maybe have a quick look on the S&P 500 and maybe the Dow Jones. So also I have my meal coming up, so gotta indulge in that later, so this will be a quick one. As you can see, this is the Bitcoin Euro. I traded on Coinbase. I trade this regularly, and well, we have a very similar channel. Our lower low was a bit more significant on the Bitcoin Euro compared to the US dollar. And I should go to the 12th hour too. Also, the Bitcoin Euro can be, since it's mostly or only, I don't know, but mostly traded on Coinbase, it can have some very, very strange movements. And if you look at the 4 hour, then you can already see what I meant. This was, and I think I mentioned this in a video, but I didn't talk about it in depth. So as you can see, and this is also the, so as you can see, when we broke down, we had a huge upper wick candle. So someone bought immensely Bitcoin Euro on Coinbase. And if you look even closer on the 15-minute, so as you can see, it was very short-term action, and we can look even closer, but I won't now. On a 1 minute, it actually bounced and it held shortly, but then dropped very rapidly. So very strange, but very volatile trading action, definitely on Bitcoin Euro. So it's, you want to be careful with your stop losses, and this was also my experience in the past, that you really have to watch out for getting stopped out by professional traders or bots on Coinbase on the Bitcoin Euro, even more than on the Bitcoin US dollar. At least that's my experience. So I can go in depth on another video on this, but for now that will do. So very, very strange action, and so of course it moves similar to the Bitcoin US dollar. Also, what you have to keep in mind is how the US dollar is related to the euro, which is interesting. And also, I will be showing you that in another video. This will be a whole video by itself. This is just like a preview to what I will be talking about, and I maybe even pull up a PowerPoint and show you my points, which I would like to make. Also, you can see like this touch right here. It didn't hit the trend line, and on the Bitcoin dollar, it did. So this was a bit more clear. So for price action on both sides, nothing new. Very low volume, no real trading volatility. So I'm still looking for some sort of reversal pattern. Until then, I'll just keep on chilling and buy when it gets lower, or just keep holding my bags. That's what I'm gonna do. And also maybe I get into some paper trading again. I want to do some today, but wait, there's someone knocking at my door. I'll be back shortly. Okay, back to business. So yeah, so that's it for Bitcoin, I guess, and just having a quick outlook on the S&P. There it is. So, as you might already know, we dropped quite much today, and we even gapped. So that's interesting. But I look on the SPY, and we had like this curve on both sides, which now maybe will get broken. And I only drew this today because like a trend line wasn't really possible to draw. So this looks interesting. We also have a wedging price action. It also gets narrower right here. So you should keep that in mind. Also the Russell 2000 broke even lower today. Or is this today? No, it's not. That's interesting. Okay, never mind then, I guess. But holy moly, the DAX just tanked. Yeah, and the UK index, oh my god, yeah, tanked too. Holy moly. That's awesome. Yeah. That's actually what you want to see. Yeah, so I mean the US stock market has been bullish for a long time. I kind of went bearish right here. I looked for a breakdown. We had it. Very nice, very sharp. But then the correction was even sharper. So I looked at this back in the day. I think I also made videos about it. But this recovery has been quite amazing. And I mean, even if we tank, and I think the 200-day moving average will be of some significance. Also, you would like to hold the 50 weekly and the 100, and especially the 200 weekly. So what is most likely, if we see a breakdown and see this go further, then we will have a retest of the 200-week moving average. That would be just my outlook for the S&P in the near future, or in the coming months actually, or in this month. So also it would align with like this this channel we had right here. I drew a pitchfork. It's forming quite nicely around it, and yeah, so this could be playing out. If we drop and see a consolidation on the bottom, above the moving average and above the bottom channel line, then that will be interesting and of quite important significance to me, since this would indicate, in my opinion, that we drop even further and make lower lows, which we haven't basically like since 2008 or 2009. So this would be a 10-year cycle. It would be normal, I don't know, but it would be definitely very healthy to see it maybe come down like to 1500 points and see a retest of this area and then bounce very sharply up. Also this back buying of stocks and the Fed printing money again and putting it somewhere back into the market. You can listen to Data Dash and go to his YouTube channel. It's called Data Dash if you don't know it. And he has a very sound opinion of the US market. At least fundamentally, I'm not too fond of his TA, but yeah. So Dow Jones, of course, acting very similar to the S&P. It's just a different name, in my opinion. The Nasdaq is acting a bit differently usually, but as you can see, very similar price action. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll get my food. Hope you have a nice evening, and I'll see you guys back next time. Bye.